Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and now I'm going to try for Lexmark C780. This here for the try for tablet. This one I'm search for VCL website for you. I am not download for the VCL website. The VCL website not a very easy to download for the VCL website. This here for VCL website. You click here. This one. This here for official website. This here for the printer. You scroll down. Click for the title for and support. Click here for the title. This one. Click here for the title driver and tiller. Paste your model to print and click find driver and tiller and press Y. This is for your search your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you need to change the operating system, you click here. This is for operating system Linux, Windows, Mac, and this is for the Linux, and this is for the version. You click here. This is for new, not not for update Linux version. This is for click for Mac. This is for Mac version, not for update for the Mac version. A new version for Mac 12, Mac 11. This here not support your Mac 12, Mac 11, and I'm sure uh, for the Windows. This here for Windows version. You click here. This here for update for the Windows version, and this here for Windows 11 driver. This for Windows 10 driver, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. This is for Windows Server. You support your driver. In this video, I made a lot driver for Windows 11. Select here. Windows 11. Looking here, this here for the update for that release support your Windows 11, and this here for the language English for. And this video is recommendation for you download for the package, and this here for universal print driver installation package and recommendation for you. You click here, and this here for your universal print. Click here for your button start load. You click here. This here for your driver to load. If you need install driver for your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put your USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and press one finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here, or you click here, you click open, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. This here for the type automatic USB cable printer and press one finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here, or you click here, you click open, double click file, you click next, and you click finish. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description. If you thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you next time the video.